many demands and industry changes placed on today's automotive technicians, the tools they use must be versatile enough to meet the demands of today. The Max is overpacked with functions for maximum versatility, including FCA gateway access. Run special maintenance functions to get vehicles back on the road fast. Advanced programming offers versatility, revenue opportunities, and a faster workflow. The Max can assist in almost every aspect of repair work, no matter how complicated. Perform advanced online programming, run sensor tests, ignition tests, actuation tests, and multi-vehicle bus decoding with the 4-channel oscilloscope. Clear fault codes. Pair with the T-Ninja box for advanced key programming tasks. Create new revenue opportunities with the Max's heavy-duty truck diagnostics add-on. The scanner is capable of operating all the way up to Class 8 trucks. Pair with the BT Mobile Pro S for high-precision battery testing. Fine-tune with bi-directional controls. And pair with Phoenix ADAS packages to perform ADAS calibrations. Take the limits off of your shop with the Phoenix Max and make every vehicle on the road a potential customer.